leader, how can you make your leadership simple? I'm going to give you one of the ways that you can apply today to make your leadership simple. Okay. In fact, I call them the 7 big moves. So let me just share one of them with you. Clarity. So clarity is very important if you want to make your leadership simple. Clarity. The vision needs to be clear. No assumptions. You need to be sure that everyone understands where you are going. Okay? See, stop assuming that people know what you are expecting, all right? Or what you want them to do. See, if people don't understand, don't expect them to respond or to do what they are supposed to do. And by the way, as things grow, as teams grow, or as organizations grow, say complexity happens automatically, because complexity is the enemy of clarity. So if you are experiencing growth right now, yes, that's awesome. But you need to also be aware of the danger, complexity. So in order to help things to keep moving, in order to help your people to keep, working in alignment with a vision, you need to keep your leadership simple through clarity. So make sure that everyone in your organization, everyone in teams, in fact, individuals, make sure that they have their personal mission statement. Okay? Personal mission statement. So let me give you 3 questions that everyone must answer. Whether the person is the COO or the operations manager or the a team leader, whatever position they have, everyone needs to answer these 3 questions. In fact, I'm encouraging you to have a workshop. Okay, have a workshop whereby you, as the leader, will answer these 3 questions. Okay, and then have them answer the 3 questions. Then look at their answers and then review yours. Put each other side by side to understand what they're thinking. Do they really know, or do they understand where the organization is going? Do they understand the vision? Is it clear? Okay, so here is what you need to ask them. Number 1, what are we doing? What are we doing? Then, why are we doing it? That's number 2. Why are we doing it? Number 3, where do I fit in? Okay, don't forget that. The first question and the second question are very key. What are we doing and why are we doing it? Everyone should be able to have similar answers. Okay, if they don't have similar answers, that means the vision is not clear. That means things are becoming complex. That means you need to start making your leadership simple. Then the last question is very key. Where do I fit in? Everyone needs to understand his or her role. Where do I fit in this vision? What are my roles? What are my responsibilities? So keep your leadership simple by focusing on helping your people to understand the vision. So the first big move that you need to apply today, that you need to work on today as a leader, is clarity.